Hello everybody. Welcome back to Affirming Abundance. Today, we're delving into the intriguing realm of the law of vibration. It's a fascinating principle that can change the way you perceive and interact with the world around you. So, stick around because we're going to explore it thoroughly and show you how to harness its power in your daily life. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. What exactly is the law of vibration? Well, it's the concept that everything in the universe vibrates at a certain frequency. This vibration includes our thoughts, emotions, and even physical objects. Think of it like this: imagine a giant cosmic radio station where each frequency represents a different aspect of reality. Your thoughts and emotions are like the stations you tune into, and the frequency you resonate with attracts similar frequencies into your life. Now, let's bring this cosmic concept down to earth. How can we apply the law of vibration in our everyday lives? Start your day with positive affirmations. When you speak words of positivity and belief in yourself, you raise your vibrational frequency. This not only boosts your confidence but also attracts positive experiences and opportunities. Optimize your environment. Clear clutter, organize your space, and surround yourself with things that bring you joy and positivity. Your surroundings can impact your vibration and help you maintain a higher frequency. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude. When you focus on the things you're grateful for, you raise your vibrational frequency and attract more things to be thankful for. It's a beautiful cycle of positivity. In summary, the law of vibration reminds us that our thoughts and emotions are powerful. They are like a tuning fork that can resonate with the frequencies of our desires. By consciously raising our vibrations through positive thinking, gratitude, and creating a harmonious environment, we can shape our reality. I hope you found this exploration of the law of vibration enlightening and practical. Remember, you have the power to raise your vibration and manifest a more positive and fulfilling life. Thanks for joining us today on Affirming Abundance. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Until next time, keep your vibrations high, and watch how your world transforms.